You snore like this. When you snore like this and wake up frequently, like you wake up more often when you are snoring, let me show you on this video. For example, know that there's a problem. One, it means your heart is in danger. It means your heart is in danger. Two, your brain may not be getting enough oxygen. Like your brain is not getting enough oxygen. It can cause hypertension. It can also cause heart attack, stroke, mental issue. It can damage your brain, which is not good for you. So the best thing to do when you are having this kind of challenge, when you are having this kind of issue, the best thing to do, one, rush to go and see your doctor. Go and see your doctor. Don't say I did not tell you. That is number one. Number two, when you are obesity, you know what I mean by obesity, excess weight. When you have excess weight, try as much as possible to lose weight. When you lose weight, it will help your sleeping quality. It will help you in sleeping quality. So try as much as possible to do what? Lose weight. That is number two. Number three is what? Exercise regularly. Exercise more often. Do exercise. Exercise your body. That is number three. Number four is what? Avoid alcohol. Avoid alcohol. Then the last but not the least is what? Avoid smoking. Avoid smoking. I say the man, you're not Adobe. Thank you all so much for watching. See you. Bye.